Hi first graders! Welcome to your sound spelling card lesson for lesson 28. This is the new sound spelling card for the week. It's not new. You've seen this one before because you've learned the spelling I blank E, the bossy E at the end of the word that makes the I say its name. So we won't be reviewing that one, but you will still be using the ice cream card, and you will be learning not one, not two, but 3 new spellings for the week. This week is going to be a challenge. So the 3 new spellings that you're going to learn this week are I-E, I-G-H, which seems really strange. It's going to be something you're just going to have to memorize, and then Y at the end of a short word. Now, these 3 spellings are for the I sound when it's not at the beginning of a word. If you hear I at the beginning of a word, like in ice cream, it will be this spelling. These 3 spellings will be either in the middle or at the end of the word. This Y, you'll see that it's got the line in front of it. That means it's only going to come at the end of a word or a syllable. And the short line means it's going to be a short word. If you hear I at the end of a short word, it's probably going to be spelled with that Y. The other 2, I-E and I-G-H, could be in the middle or at the end of a word. So we're going to do some practice with some words. I would like for you to practice along with me. So if you have your whiteboard and your marker, you are ready to go. If not, go ahead and pause this video, go grab what you need, and then come on back so we can spell some words together. So the first word we're going to spell together is a word that means the opposite of low. And the opposite of low is the word high. So high has the sounds I. Only 2 sounds. First sound is easy. Oops. Now the I sound could be any one of these 3 spellings. It does come at the end of the word, but the correct spelling is I-G-H. That's the word high, as in the opposite of low. The next word we're going to spell should be an easy one for you. You probably learned this one in kindergarten if you haven't learned it already. The word is my. This is my cat coming to say hello. My, I, has 2 sounds. Whoops. And then the I sound at the end of a short word, spelled with a Y. My. The next word we're going to spell is the word that means what happens when there's water on the ground, but the sun comes out. What happens to that water? It dries. Dries. So we'll say the sounds in dries. D-r-eyes. Let's get rid of Hermione. Dries. D-r-eyes. Dries. So it starts with a blend. D-r. And then there's the I sound. You think you know which one it is? It is I-E. Dries. Dries. There's the word dries. The next word we're going to practice is the word that means your sense when you use your eyes. What is the sense that when you use your eyes? That's the sense of sight. Sight. The word sight. S-I-T has 3 sounds. The I sound is in the middle, which means it's not going to be that Y. Sight is spelled S-I. Do you think you know what spelling it is? It is I-G-H. S-I-T. Sight. There's the word sight. We'll do one more word. This word would describe the sun or some stars up in the sky. They are bright. Bright. So bright starts with the blend. B-r. B-r-ite. There's that I sound again. It's not at the end of a word, so it's not going to be the Y by itself. You think you know what spelling it is? Bright. There it is. Bright. So those are the 3 spellings that you will need to learn this week. Good luck on your spelling pretest. You can either take it on paper and pencil, or you can go to Spelling City and take your pretest there. Once you've taken your pretest, set a goal for yourself for Friday. And if you would like some extra practice, you can go to your practice book, page 168. Good luck, first graders. See ya.